I'm about to land in the Maldives, a global icon of luxury tourism, climate activism, and ocean conservation, but also one of the most vulnerable nations to sea level rise. It's located in the Indian Ocean, southwest of Sri Lanka and India, made of around 1,200 coral islands grouped into 26 atolls. And the population is around half million, and the official language is Dive. Malé, the capital of Maldives, is very small, only about 5.8 square kilometer. So you can walk around the entire island in about 30 to 45 minutes. So an hour's drive would be more than enough. Some of the most famous street food includes mas huni, something tuna with coconut and chili, and fihunu mas is also a grilled fish. The Maldives is famous for its luxurious overwater villas and beachfront apartments, offering stunning views of the turquoise sea. People use ferries or small boats to travel between the islands. The Maldives is a presidential republic, and the elections are held in every 5 years.